Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Svarg Foundation. Our aim is to create heaven on earth. So let's create heaven on earth. So we are going to talk in our upcoming videos about how to heal any kind of diseases with the help of spiritual healing. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the cause and treatment of spiritual healing, how it treats and how it treats the root cause of any disease and how it occurs, and by simple spiritual healing by the way of yoga and Rajyoga, how we can just cure our disease. So we have to understand for that there in our body system lies an autonomic nervous system, which is divided into two: parasympathetic and sympathetic. Parasympathetic stands for rest and digest, whereas sympathetic stands for flight and fight mode. So parasympathetic is the system where happy hormones are secreted and good hormones are secreted, which cause healing, whereas in sympathetic, which is the fight and flight mode, when you are anxious or when even a subtle negative thought is there in your mind, at that time what happens, cortisol is secreted, which is the stress hormone. So a lot of cortisol, when it is secreted in your body, it accumulates and it causes wear and tear in your body and your organs, and which lower down the immunity, and you are more prone to infections like COVID, viral, all these. And also your wear and tear damages the organs, and slowly with the accumulation and over the time it causes and it turns into a disease. So many diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, and depression, plantar fasciitis, arthritis, all of these underlying. In fact, for COVID also, so there is a root cause somewhere lying down. The stress is the root cause for it. So if we stay in parasympathetic mode, which is the rest and digest mode, for majority of time, and then we can actually stay healthy, happy, because a lot of happy hormones will be secreted, and happy hormones will create a lot of good energy, positivity in your body, and it will fight with the stress hormone, and it will give you positive energy. It will also heal the wear and tear and damage done by the stress hormones. So in this video, we are going to tell you about how a holistic approach, AVAV. A stands for Ahar, B stands for Bihar, A stands for Achar, and B for Vichar. How this AVAV, these four aspects, help you in healing, spiritual healing, and in yoga. So we are going to talk about AVAV in a holistic approach in today's video, that in general in every disease what is AVAV, and in my upcoming videos I will let you know, and I will share each disease treatment and every treatment plan and what to do and what remedies by spiritual healing. So AVAV, आहार बोलते ना, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, what you eat you become. So when you are eating meat, when you are eating slaughtered animals, what is happening? That energy is going, whether that animal is tied and slaughtered, and the animal is going under anger, apprehension, anxiety, fear, and that fear is coming inside you while eating that food after it is cooked. But if you eat sattvic food, if you eat vegetarian food and a sattvic food which is cooked like a prasad or an offering made to God or Lord, so that will have that energy of God, that will have pure energy, that will have good. So with good affirmations, when we cook and energize a food and we cook it, that gives a very good energy and that stays for time ahead. So that is ahar. So we have to look what to eat, how much to eat, and be aware while you're eating. Eat mindfully. Then there is an aspect Bihar. Bihar is very important these days. Bihar is what recreational activity you are doing. Me time. These days we are partying and we are doing me time, but we become more tired. We damage our organs with alcohol and stuff like this. But if we do sattvic me time, which is what, like practicing a hobby, playing, singing, dancing, swimming, whatever you like, happy hormones are secreted at that time. Lot of happy hormones are secreted, and what is happening? You are getting that positive energy. So at that time you are becoming more efficient, you're becoming refreshed, and at that time happy hormones are secreted, you are happy, and they are healing the damage already caused by stress hormones. Then comes achar. Achar is nothing, my dear friends, it is your daily routine. It's your daily routine. Your biological clock sets by a time, and if you follow, eat on time, sleep on time, and do asanas and pranayams on time, and follow a dincharya of your choice, your body will be ready to accept any challenge. Then comes vichar. And in my next video, I'm going to be talking about subconscious mind and law of attraction, the power of subconscious mind and the power of thinking. For now, I will just want you to understand that what if we create a negative thought also, subtle thought in our mind, then also cortisol is getting secreted in our body and it is degenerating our body. But if we are thinking right, they also say that you create your own destiny. So when you think positive, when you think nice, when you think you create a positive destiny. So why not to think right and why not to think positive? So the fourth aspect says vichar, which says your thoughts become your words becomes your action, and your action becomes your destiny. So think right, think positive throughout the day, counsel yourself. There are a lot of techniques by which we can think positive. In my next video, I'm going to share those techniques as well, and we'll be talking about this holistic approach of vichar, how to create right thoughts, right thing, and how to create them positive to create a positive destiny. And in the upcoming videos, we'll be talking about cure for every disease. So please stay tuned, and you can find your disease and cure with Svarg Foundation. So with the stoppage of medications, I'm Dr. Ritika and I'm a surgeon, and I promote going medication free and healing yourself from within your inner happiness. For in case there is crisis, there is no medication, there is no help, but you can cure. I mean, if you're not even financial well or whatever, if you are not able to, the heart blockages are also treated without any surgery with the help of spiritual healing. So stay tuned, and there is lots of stuff more to come your way. So today's food of thought: that think right, think positive, eat right, sleep well, and do a dincharya in a proper manner. This is a holistic approach of yoga and Rajyoga to treat spiritually every disease. Thank you and namaste.